Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Machine model, blade, and software settings must match. Once confirmed, load the vinyl with the print side up and align to a 0. 5 cm margin so feeds stay true. Next, set a conservative test cut, 45 degrees blade angle, 300 mm per minute, 100 g-force to verify depth without cutting backing. If the test lifts cleanly, you have the right blade, pressure, and media tension to proceed. If not, adjust blade depth or reduce force. Open your vector design and convert strokes to outlines, weld overlapping letters, and remove hidden paths so the cutter follows one continuous path. Once done, arrange cut order logically, vinyl cuts first, registration marks next, then export a single-layer cut file to avoid accidental colors. Back in the cutter software, set speed between 200 and 400 mm per minute and force between 80 and 160 G based on vinyl thickness. Lower force prevents backing cuts. Make a preview run to confirm paths and estimated time before you press start. After the cut finishes, begin weeding by removing excess vinyl with a pick while keeping small details attached. Use a light touch around thin strokes. Next, apply transfer tape over the design and burnish firmly at about a 45 degrees angle with a squeegee to ensure adhesion, then lift backing slowly at 180 degrees for clean transfer. If a piece fails to lift, check troubleshooting steps. Retest cut on scrap, replace or reset the blade. Re-zero the origin, and adjust force by plus or minus 10.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.